respected administrators, teachers, dear friends and acquaintances.
I am Yash,
And I am Chandni.
and we are here to share with you the priceless memory we cherish from our time spent in the Temple of Learning and the changes we experienced extensively and of course intensively.
The latest infrastructural developments have added a lot to the facilities we as students have benefited vastly from. The new laboratories with the best of ought to be the best facilitated in the whole city.
In the labs, we learned the theoretical knowledges we were provided by putting it to practical tests.
We didn't spend much time in the school really, but we surely did earn a lot of experience and knowledge with our honorable teachers.
The Sunbeam Way has really cheered us up and led us to being better versions of ourselves.
It's been a privilege to have spent the last few years of our school life in a place so lively as this.
Indeed, Janvi, and yet these years would have remained whole incomplete without our amazing teachers.
विशेषकर पुष्पलता मैम किसी भी संदर्भ को पूर्ण संक्षिप्त रूप में छात्रों के मानस में स्थापित करने की इनकी कला अद्वितीय है.
हम सब बेहद भाग्यशाली हैं जो हमें ऐसी सरल व
ममतामयी अध्यापिका से शिक्षा ग्रहण करने का अवसर इस विद्यालय के द्वारा प्राप्त हुआ. आगे बढ़ते हुए आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर विद्यालय एवं छात्रों के भविष्य निर्माण के प्रति विभाग कर्मचारियों के बहुमूल्य व कर्मदृढ़ योगदान की सराहना हेतु हम उन्हें मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे.
ऑफिस स्टाफ देवाशीष सर, प्रवीण सर, नमो नारायण सर, अरुणिमा मैम, चार्ल्स सर, अभिजीत सर, शेवेश सर.
For this, we would like to invite Riya and Arpita from section A and Shubham and Amit from section B. आगे बढ़ते हुए हम अपनी कक्षा का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए विद्यालय के कर्मठ सहायक कर्मचारियों को सम्मानित करने हेतु उन्हें मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे.
सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ विजय बहादुर भैया, श्री राम यादव, आशीष भैया, राजेंद्र राय भैया, अनीता दीदी, संतोष भैया, मुन्नी दीदी, विश्वजीत भैया, सुजीत दीदी, राम संजीवन भैया.
For this, we would like to call Naveen and Ayush from section. तेरे मुख से अपना रास्ता मोड़ के चला चंदन हूँ मैं अपनी खुशबू छोड़ के चला. To express the same, now we present before you Sushmita with a semi-classical dance performance.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखूं, मेरे जिक्र का जवाब सुनो, दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे ख्याल रखूं, चिट्ठी खालों में भी मेरा तो सलाम. मेरा तेरा मैंने लिया मेरा जीना सितारा तेरे नाम किया. चलना
Thank you, Sushmita, for your marvelous performance.
Moving on, we would now hand over the mic to Shreshi and Sneha to commence with the further proceedings.
Memories till end. Since the beginning of the school days till now, 14 years of studying, enjoying and being with our buddies and teachers in the temple of learning. This parting will not be an easy one. The long association with school and Sunbeam family will be missed by all. The only permanent thing in this world is change, which defines the course of life. Life is not only how far we have come, but essentially the miles we have to go on further in life. A perfect time of moving onward and facing another chapters of our life. When we are to part with friends and teachers and know in our hearts that somewhere in future we will meet again, the farewell can be a bittersweet. It's a time not to be nostalgic, but to be grateful at the thought that we are going to be part of society and dedicating ourselves to serve the humanity and moreover heal this world. It doesn't matter what careers we opt for, what professionals we become, but to be the best in our fields and show the world that we are the beings of that aristocratic sun. Nothing in this world is meant forever to stay. Something new always keeps coming by our way. So now the time has come to bid farewell, my dear friends, with the eyes filled with tears and hope that we meet again. Farewell is not just saying goodbye to our alma mater, saying thank you for your support and guidance, but appreciating the challenges we faced on school life, given by your teachers and mentors, and becoming the change we wish to see in the world.
First of all, hi everyone. I am going to present a note before you all that speaks my heart out. Sanveer Bhagwanpur, our bountiful mother, thank you for cherishing us, the saplings. Now it's time for us to blossom. No matter how much we grow, our roots will always be fixed to the pious soil of this temple. A bunch of stars from this galaxy do fall apart, but only to fight and win over the darkness of the universe. Thank you, Sandeep, for weaving us into a flawless fabric. Very soon, we, the happy birds of this lovely nest, will fly high to measure the altitudes of glory. Thank you for giving us the wings. Your priceless inputs in our lives will act as a beacon as we embark on the voyage of life further ahead. The reminiscence of all the wonderful episodes that we shared here together will be in our hearts forever. Sandeep, our breath will always be scented by your fragrance. Thank you.
Class report. Our class 12B, so-called the elite batch, is full of talented students who have not only done well in academics but in various co-curricular activities like sport, art, dance, etc. So beginning with physics. Physics has always been a mind-boggling subject for the students of biology. The tendency to experiment, observe and question the unquestioned are possessed by few. The students who have done extremely well in physics are Anusha, the intelligent girl who is always serious throughout her studies. Shubham, the boy with a perfect balance and command over all the subjects of science.
Sushmita, our very own Kathak queen. Her achievements include Navsadhana, first prize. Sangeet Natak, again first prize. CCRT school, first prize. Rohit, the genuinely honest and loyal angry little kid we know. Now, the students who are best in chemistry are
Amit, the guy with the hidden potential who doesn't speak much but can defeat you with his silence.
Khushi, the curiously confident girl who is ready to help others always.
Siddharth, the chemist of our class who seeks perfection in every aspect of life. Over to Khushi and Tanish.
Thank you.
Study of natural science not only enhances our knowledge but also our intellectual connect with the surroundings.
The students with brilliant knowledge in biology are
Disha, who is skillful, adorable and the most talented girl.
Avishi. Now here comes our very own Eidka Chan.
Shreya Grahadi, she is a sophisticated girl with keen interest in science.
Akash, please welcome our bio-wit. He is super calm and barely stressed.
Ayush, a studious child and NCERT maestro.
Impressive reading and writing skills have long been known to improve a student's persona to the very roots.
The student with extraordinarily strong command over English and dialogue and language are
Shishti, the girl who is always energetic and possesses quality of unusual delicacy.
Meet the girl Sneha, who will lure you in her mysterious way. She got second rank in city in International English Olympiad as well as International Cyber Olympiad.
Harshita, the world is her stage and she is super charismatic.
Anushka, a bright and a tech-savvy girl with exceptionally great command over English. Over to Harshita and Purna.
It is a well-stated fact that rote learning makes students more knowledgeable, while its practical application imparts true wisdom.
Participation in various co-curricular activities is an important instrument in its realism. So here are the co-curricular aces of 12B.
Prashant, he believes in breaking stereotypes and making a landmark.
Astha, the girl who carries the wisdom of her own unique path.
Shreshi, she is pure as sunshine, mellow as aged wine, mystical as the Hawaiian sunrise.
The main purpose of education is not merely to receive a certification for a streamlined career, but to evolve a well-rounded person in every aspect of life. So here are the all-rounders of our class.
Madhurain, a person who doesn't regret his decisions and does everything with precision. His achievements are participation in CBSE regional level science model competition, third rank holder in science quiz, and qualifier of NACB National Standard Examination Biology.
Tanish, a boy who seeks constant improvement and never loses his temperament. His achievements are NSTSC City Rank First. He is also a first rank holder in Maths Reader.
Janvi, a brilliant mind coupled with all her perfect conduct, make her all the more glorious in every aspect of life. She participated in All India Art and Culture Fest held in Assam.
Devesh, it's always fun to have a Khuli Kitab lurking around the corners. He is a gold medalist in inter-house cricket competition. Suchita, an overall performer. No task is big for her.
Over to Madhurain and Shrishti.
The friends in our life are like the pillars on a porch. Sometimes they hold you up and sometimes they lean on you. Sometimes it's enough to know that they are standing by.
No work is ever really done well without mutual help, respect and cooperation.
You're absolutely right, Madhurain.
Yes, and it really has been a privilege to have these immensely helpful people as our classmates. They are.
Life is full of emotions, sun rays, thunder and rain. But what truly makes one strong is the hatred and shielding pain. Here comes Shreya Singh.
A handful of patience is worth more than a bushel of brains. And he who plants a garden plants happiness. So here comes Ishan with his passion for gardening.
His face makes everybody cheer and he has connections everywhere. Here comes Chandan.
Don't underestimate his might because he gives a tough fight. Here is Prabha Kumar.
Here comes gentleman of the class, Sophie Jaiswal, with his impressive gait, but for classes, he's always a little late.
Manantli is widely considered to be the worst enemy of learning mind.
Fortunately, we had some amazing entertainers as beloved classmates who helped us to be in our spirit all year long. They are
A boy with cool round glasses who never misses classes. Here is Kund, whose logic is not less than any magic.
Abhinav, with high self-esteem, who is even capable of converting ice into steam.
The girl who is always too late but worth the wait. Here is Shreya Sharma.
She's one about whom you can never predict. For this, all goes to her as a credit. Here is Aditi Arun Singh.
Now we will our personal farewell to you all and move to join our friends. Over to Shulstan and Anushka.
The key traits in making the perfect person are respect, honor, and most importantly, sportsmanship.
Our classmates staunchly believe in the adage that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body.
So here we present some of our classmates who have given us fitness goals with a keen aesthetic skill in the sports area.
Yash, our very own Mr. Out of the Box with a crazy fun inside. He loves to pet dogs and is a passionate table tennis player.
Uma, she is as enthusiastic as her name and unpredictable in a game.
Akansha Shreya, the girl known for her stories and her interest in sports.
Naveen, an exceptionally courageous and skillful boy of a class.
Now, as we know that not all talented people shine bright in the limelight.
So, the silent performers of a class are
Ambika loves to get work done and is a pro at sports.
Ayushi. She has every color of the rainbow in her closet and work wonders with just a pencil and paper.
Soumya, the girl who is super quiet in the first, but when you know her, she won't keep quiet. Now, we would like to go and sit with our classmates. And here are the two music lovers of our class, Shreya and Shrishti, to present a melodious song before all.
कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं। मैं थोड़ी सी बूढ़ी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या तुम्हें ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी? आए तो दिल में आ जाए तो, कह दो मुस्कुरा दो, हाय 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 हाय, चाहे तो दिल से चाहे तो, कह दो घबरा दो, बाय 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 बाय, लव यू जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love you जिंदगी, love me जिंदगी।
On behalf of all the students, I assure you all that we will keep doing our best wherever we go. Thank you, respected Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, for providing us with world-class facilities. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for giving us the best environment for our overall development.
I take this opportunity to thank our beloved principal ma'am who had been strict yet guided us in a friendly manner. I extend my heartfelt and sincere thanks to teachers and who gave us great inspiration and all our good encouragement.
Thank you, Saroj Ma'am, for being the coolest coordinator and taking all our mischiefs with a smile on your face. Special thanks to Tappa Sir for being a constant source of motivation.
I once again thank our teachers who provided the right direction to gain knowledge and shape our future.
I have a few poetic lines to say on this day for my fellow classmates. मेरे यारों ये साथ का पल अब एक दास्तां में बदल रहा, आ गया वो मोड़ जिसमें अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा। ये साथ के पल कुछ यूं गुजर गए कि हर एक शख्स दिल में याद बनकर बस गया। हॉस्टल और क्लास वाली कहानी हो गई अब खत्म, अब अलग होंगी मंजिलें, अलग होंगे रास्ते। वो हॉस्टल, वो क्लास जमती जहाँ थी महफिलें, अब खाली करना पड़ रहा। आ गया वो मोड़ जिसमें अलविदा कहना पड़ रहा। भूल कर सारी रंजिशें गले मिल लो, क्योंकि जा रहा है वक्त जो वो दोबारा आने से रहा। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद।
आती रहेंगी बहारें, हो नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है, हो आती रहेंगी बहारें, आती रहेंगी बहारें, नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है, हो हमने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए, हमने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए, जाते रहेंगे यूं ही जाए भी जिंदगी, हो आती रहेंगी नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है,
Now I request Principal Ma'am to kindly address. Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Farewell assemblies, year after year, one batch passing. And I think 96 to 2019. These are the batches I've seen going year after year. And when we see all of you on the stage, I and Pratima ma'am, we keep on discussing this child, joined in that class. That was the thing they did in class 7. How they grew up. And last 2 years, believe me, none of us told you that you should take science. For God's sake, all the 5 sections which presented the assembly here, you were so down and you were like, you missed last 2 years like anything after taking science. Believe me, we never told you take science. And then sing all those sad songs here. And literally it was, you were showing us that we had done some guilt. That by giving you science, forcing you to take and do it. But nevertheless, jokes apart, yes, you chose that particular subject maybe to go for your own dream which you have lived for. And believe me, thank you to all of you. Because you taught a lot to us also. In this course of journey, when you were traveling from your nursery to class 12, even we were traveling along with you. And whatever you learned, even we learned a lot from you. Whether it is to see things differently, whether it is to see how the traditional things could be presented in a new fashion, whether it was Kathak, whether it is Tabla, both were very unique and different. We were thinking on one line, you were thinking and showing us that line. All your skills. I don't think now English teachers or teachers teaching Hindi will come and tell me, "Ma'am, बच्चों की हिंदी बहुत खराब है." Then the English teacher says, "उनकी English भी खराब है." But then today when we see all of you presenting here the assembly, I don't think we have any regret about it, because you did the best and it all came out straight from your heart. And the feelings, what you told about your teachers, I know always it would not have been possible for you to say thank you to your teachers, to your alma mater, but then at the end what you told matters a lot. And we feel happy that yes, even when we were strict, we did something right, because we wanted to see the best in you. We always and always want only one thing, that be in any field, you do your best, you get your best, and may God always shower His best blessings on you. And as you travel in life, we are sure, I am sure, our team is sure that we have given you wings very, very strong to fly high and never to look down. We have given you the rhythm of life so that you can flow very easily. We have given the music to you so that even when things are hard and tough, you can sing it and you can fly over. This is what is life all about. I won't say life is hard in the coming years, but yes, I will definitely tell you it's a roller coaster ride where your tears come out even when you are in joy. And that is what life means all about. So enjoy life, it's precious, and have a very safe and secure life ahead. God bless you all, take care, and lot of blessings to all of you.
Thank you so much for your kind words, and I request Assistant Director Ma'am to kindly address.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind, everyone. I should go up on the stage. So, yesterday we witnessed one set of assemblies and today it was another set. My takeaways from both these assembly presentations as of yesterday and today, first and the foremost is to schedule an appointment with Mr. Raju Hirani. He has to make a movie on the commerce and humanities stream, and he has to give them an anthem also. Like all science students have been moaning about Sari Umr Har, Kuch Pal To Jeene Do and all that stuff. So now we have to write up what are the commerce and humanities students going to sing in their farewell assemblies, for God's sake. He has to make a movie, he has to give them a song to sing. So first and foremost is this, that we have to. Next, Gurmeet ma'am, Shefali ma'am, please take notes. When we sit in for the 11th stream counseling, every parent who walks in with a child that says PMC or PBC, we said please sign an undertaking with us that your child will not sing this song. In the parent assembly. He or she can only sing something like Kitna Maza Aa Raha Hai. She can only sing like सोचना क्या है, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा। और they will say जिंदगी एक सफर था सुहाना केवल 2 सालों के लिए, 11th science and 12th science. So if they sign this undertaking, only then they are given the regular batch. If they sign the undertaking that we will never ever, even after moving out of Sunbeam, this science, then we give them the professional batch. You know, special favors, these kind of things. So these are 2 very important things that we have to do. The next important thing is, of course, anyone and everyone who wishes to speak on the day of the farewell assembly and will speak confidently in English or in Hindi has to mandatorily put in this undertaking that I will at least conduct 6 assemblies and win 4 debates for my school. All the students who do that, where were you when we were scouting around for people to send here, there and everywhere? Why did you not to come to school on those days? So one more undertaking. But having said all that, what an absolute joy to behold you. And like Gurmeet ma'am said, you know, we do take life lessons from you. I have been moaning about having a migraine for the past 4 days, and on the 5th day also it comes and attacks me. And then I see this lady Twinkle Toes dancing so effortlessly and gracefully here, and then someone plays the guitar, and I say to myself that if these kids can absolutely do this with a smile, go through tomes of books, manage such impossible day and night routines with their syllabi, with their teachers, with their practicals, and then also find time to make wonderful presentations, and also find time to present such lovely dance and music and oratory, well then I, at 52 years of age, should not complain about a teeny-weeny migraine. So thank you so much, children, for actually enriching the fabric of our life with all your craziness and insanity. If we become better every day, it is because you have challenged us practically every day that we have been on this campus. Stay blessed, Sunbeams. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. Indeed, it was the memorable day for me when I was appointed the class teacher of class 12th B. Dear students, no doubt it is one of the best class. Many of the students have participated in several national level competitions and got top rank, which added glory to the name of this school. My dear students, the world needs talented brains like you. Dear students, believe me, the success is on your way. Just keep in mind that be always right in your action and never forget that truth always wins. My dear students, many times I was strict with you, but my dear students, believe me, I love you all. I want all of you to become a successful person in your life. May God give you all that you want in your life. My dear students, look forward, go ahead to see the world, and my best wishes is always with you. Thank you.